Yes.
Yeah.
You are. Mind you, I only learned how to bicep stand today. This is a new move for me.
I think she's rolling. You're rolling, right? Yay. Hi, how are you?
Okay. Ready?
Yeah.
Should I try and jump?
Not on the camera.
Feet. Push down. Stand. Let go. Sit. Hike. Reverse grip. Going faster. Ready? Good. Adjusting you. Ready? You good? I thought you were
Just
popping.
make it work. Just make it work. Okay, yeah, I'll just let you. Okay, let's do one more row.
Ready? Go.
When we get really good, we don't even have to stop a bit. We just go through the path. No. Okay? I'm going to bring you to the front, and then I'm going to drop you.
Woo!